So today we are actually just doing a video from the house because it's a memory card, not a memory card, a USB stick. I needed a stick that I could transfer back and forth work and to do some screen recording stuff to an external. So I needed something that was somewhat fast, didn't cost a lot because I just, this is just in case. It's one of those just in case things. And I really only have one specific purpose that I wanted to use, 128 gigs, which is what this is, 128 gigs. Should be plenty. And I have used the RAGE USB sticks from Patriot before, and I was pretty happy with them. This is the RAGE Lite. I don't know, I guess it's maybe a little slower, I'm guessing. Still should be fast enough. SuperSonic RAGE Lite, USB 3.2 Gen 1. It says it can read up to 120. Now, it doesn't say how fast it can actually write. And writing really is the important thing for me since I'm going to be writing video to this. So I hope is that it writes fast enough. Anyways, this was like ridiculously cheap, inexpensive. If I find it here on Amazon, pretty sure this is it. $13. 13 bucks. I figured, give it a try. Should be fine, right? It's like cheap. Anyways, really the only thing that I'm concerned about is a speed test. So to see if it's going to be fast enough to write some video files to it for doing basically screen recordings and things like that. So it doesn't have to be like super high quality. I do like the actual RAGE cards or USBs because they are like, it's super simple. It's pretty protected. Right, when it's like in this kind of state. This one's a little more, you can hear it, right? It's not as tight. There is it, but whatever, it's fine. I'm actually going through a USB-C adapter for a Mac, just so you guys know. But I am gonna plug this in here. This should be nice and easy. Stick this in. And the hope is Patriot. There it is right there. We'll be able to see here 125 usable gigs. It is already formatted in exFAT, so that is also excellent. And then we will bring up Blackmagic speed test just to give it a test. And we will let this kind of go for a few minutes. One of the things I found with USB sticks a lot of times is that if you are doing a long write to them, and they heat up a little bit and they slow down over time. So there's Patriot right there. I'm going to open this. We are going to make sure that we do a 5 gig. We could do like a longer test, but we'll just do 5 gigs for now, and we'll see how this does. It did say up to 120 for read. That doesn't really mean a lot to me. It's not that important. It's the write. So here we go. And that's the peak's really good. 175. Oh, there it was slowing down. 130. 110. 94. 91. Where she's leveling out. 90. Okay, no, that's okay. Not for me, that's fine. 90. Oh, wait. 87. 80. 79. I still think it's going to be fast enough for what I need. Oh, I don't know. Each time it's 73, 74. Okay, it's going back up again. So let's see what we average out at. In the 60s. Now we're hoping, and at least it gives you an idea. So we're probably leveling out around 70. Some of it's going to be faster, some of it's going to be slower. Again, realize that if you are doing a lot of data to this, it may just constantly gets down to 60. In 59, 60. As I stay in this, so let's say 60s. 60s is kind of what, after long files, is kind of what we're going to be staying at. Yeah, somewhere around 60. 60.1. That's our write. And do we have a read? I'm hoping we have a read because, here we go. Oh, it said 120, 133, 134, 135. So read, as of now, it's actually faster than what it says, because it said up to 120. So 135, 135. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, just the write's a little slow. But I do think it should be fine for what I'm going to be, because I'm only going to be capturing 1080, and it does say here I should be able to capture 1080p 60, which is what I hope to record with no issues at all. Look how fast it is when it does the start, when it bursts. It's fast when it bursts at the beginning. But yeah, 1080p 60, pretty much even in RAW, right? If you're looking at just H.265, like it says I can do 8K with that kind of speed. So I'll be probably recording just standard H.264, so not quite as fast as that, but I should have no issues. I probably should be able to get 4K, but I am only doing 1080p 60 capture, so that should be good. Reads 136, kind of like, yeah, that's all right. All right, this is the Patriot something or other. What did I say it was? The Patriot SuperSonic RAGE Lite, 128 gig. Yep, 120 megs up to, it says, no, I got 136. That's pretty good. All right, guys, if you want one of these, links down below. And we'll see you guys next video. Later.